Hello and welcome to Office Pro Daily. Today I'm going to teach you how to quickly and very easily make a table that looks like a pro did it. So the first thing I see here is we have all this information and it looks good, but we want to present it to our boss. So you have right here a month by month breakdown of the products sold and the amount of revenue brought in. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add up all of those sales. So what I see here is I could go do a sum function, but a quicker and easier way to do that is just Alt equal down here and hit enter. Now it's done that. So you have your total sales down here. The next thing that I really want to do is I want to change these number formats to currency because it is dealing with dollar amounts. So if I click on the top one right here, the 1200, and I hit Control Shift and the down arrow, it's highlighted all of those numbers. Now, while I have them highlighted, if I go ahead and hit Control 1, it's going to bring up the Format Cells option. So right here, I'm under number. I can switch it over to currency. Once I hit OK, now you can see it's all looking good. The next thing I'm going to do is we don't need these decimal places right here. So I'm going to go over here and there's a decrease decimal option. I'm going to hit it twice. Now we're looking good. Now the next thing that we need to do is turn this thing into a table. So the little shortcut for this, because you could go up here and go to insert and table and go through that whole thing, but if you just hit Control L, this pulls up. If it has everything that you need in it, then perfect. If it's missing anything, like it doesn't have my total sales in here, I'm going to go ahead and hit right here and I'm going to get everything highlighted. We don't want to forget anything for this sales report. Now once that's done, I'll go back over here and we want to make sure the table has headers option is selected. That way up here, the month, product, and sales is going to be labeled as a header. So once we hit OK, now it's done. You do have some other table styles over here. You can go through those and change them as you like. Other than that, we just quickly and easily made a professional looking table. Guys, if I provided any value for you today, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one. Thank you.